I'm back. This is part 2 of day trip at the zoo. Y'all, great fun quick trip to take your kiddos, y'all. So right now, as you can see, my husband and my little one, they're at the farm portion of the zoo where they can actually pet the animals. You have the different animals here. I don't know if I'm gonna get a clear view. But we have ducks here, the different birds. So this is a nice portion of the zoo that the kiddos can actually pet the animals. This is cool. Chickens. So y'all, just wanted to show y'all some of the things that we're doing here on our quick day trip here at the zoo. Great fun for the kids and for the family. I'll be back with another video. Talk to you soon.